I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you an excellent question on derivatives. The question here is, let f of x be a function such that d dx of x squared plus 1 times f of x is equal to 2x f of x plus 2x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. Which of the following could f of x be? Your four choices: 2x plus 1, 2x squared plus x plus 1, x squared plus x plus 5, x squared plus 2x plus 5. You may pause the video, try the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, here, our approach is to find the derivative of this function, right? So we are given derivative of the function, which is x squared plus 1 times f of x, right? So we'll apply the product rule. So of course, derivative of the first function, which is 2x times function itself, plus x squared plus 1 times derivative of the second function. Is it okay? So from the product rule, we get this. Now if you compare what we have here, then the first part is kind of same, right? The second part, which is this, should be equal to x squared plus 1 times derivative of the function. Is it okay? So that should help us find solution. That's the whole idea, and that's the strategy. So what we will do now is we'll equate x squared plus 1 times f derivative of the function as equal to 2x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. You get an idea. So from here, we can write that the derivative is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 1, right? All this divided by x squared plus 1. Is it okay? Correct? So that is the derivative. Now you could do synthetic division or long division. As most of my students understand long division, I'll continue with long division, and then we find what is 2x cubed. Let me write down 2x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1. Now you see one term is missing here. It's good practice to write it with zero coefficient. We call this as a placeholder, right? So you may or may not use placeholder, but it helps. Okay. I always use a placeholder. Now when you divide, this goes 2x times, let me write 2x here. We are taking three terms. So we get 2x cubed plus 0x squared plus 2x. When you take away, we get x squared plus 0x plus 1, and that goes one time. Is it okay? So it is x squared plus 0x plus 1, remainder as expected is 0. Okay, so that really means that this divided by that is 2x plus 1. So we could write here that the derivative of the function is 2x plus 1. Do you see that? So we found the derivative of the function. Now the question is to find the derivative. Is it okay? So now we have to get to derivative. So we'll go back and find amongst the options what is the derivative which will give us this, what is the function which will give us 2x plus 1 as the derivative, right? So this could be x squared plus x. So we have x squared plus x, which is c. So I think c is correct. So let's go for the derivative of this. Derivative of this will be 2x, right? So if I write derivative of this, it will be 2x plus 1, correct? So that matches. So option C is the correct option for the given question. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope this approach helps you to answer similar questions. Feel free to post questions and share my videos with your friend. If you like, you can put some likes. I'll highly appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.